There's rank bonus.
So in today's menu, we're creating a high protein loaded potato bowl. We're using sweet potatoes instead of regular potatoes. We have some turkey meat, and then we also have some peppers already cut and chopped and frozen. We'll just have some fun, make it a lot easier. All right, so first up, we have our turkey meat. Pop that bad boy in a bowl. So because it's a loaded potato bowl, I want to kind of give it some seasonings. Dash salt-free seasoning. This is original seasoning blend, so we're going to put some in here. And dash salt-free Southwest Chipotle. You can see that. So these two seasonings are going to go in here. I want to try to make it, low in sodium, no salts, just high in protein and then enough calories to get us through. Seasonings in there. I'm gonna throw in the Chipotle. These are brand new. I just got them. I'm trying out a lot of salt-free options. The thing about salt-free options is that they don't have salt in it, so you have to kind of use a lot of seasoning to kind of get the flavor. But this is my first time using the Dash seasoning blend. All right, so in our pan, we're just gonna add some water and we're gonna heat that up. And we'll probably add a little more water. I think the thing about turkey meat, a lot of people get complacent with is they don't know how to fucking cook turkey meat. So what you do is you let it cook all the way through, and then you also want to let it get brown. I think that's important. A lot of people don't know. So make sure your turkey brown gets brown. All right, so we're gonna let this cook, and then while this is cooking, we're gonna chop up our sweet potatoes. So while the turkey meat cooks, we're gonna chop up the sweet potatoes. So nice cut. Away our end pieces. We're gonna. It don't have to be this thin, but you want to be able to make sure you have enough sweet potato to go around. All right, so now that we have our sweet potatoes chopped, what you can do is spray some oil on here. Unfortunately, I ran out of oil, so I'm going to try to do some apple cider vinegar. Get that a little small coat of that. Don't want to do too much. And then we're gonna top it with some cinnamon sugar. Not too much. And then we hit with some paprika, just for color. A little flavor. Nothing crazy. All right, now that our turkey meat is cooked, in that same pan, we're just gonna throw our peppers in there. I'm gonna let these cook down because these are frozen, and then I'm throwing some mushrooms, and then we'll bring everything together. So with our bowl, we're gonna come in with some sweet potatoes. We're gonna fill our bottom. After our bottom is filled with the sweet potatoes, we're gonna come in with our ground turkey. And then we're gonna top it off with our peppers and a couple mushrooms we had in there. And we have a high protein loaded bowl. Not the most pleasing thing, but it's our proteins, got our potassium, low in calories. You can also throw in some low-fat mozzarella in here, and then throw in some hot sauce or whatever type of sauce that you have. I usually use a Chipotle hot sauce. And then I'll throw in some cheese, and then boom, we have a fantastic meal prep for the week.